This is question number 6 of the NCERT textbook. The question goes like this. A 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from a 30-meter tall building. So, question को हमने सीखा है bits and parts में diagram बनाने के लिए. Suppose this is a tall building and this is 1.5 meter tall boy and this is our ground level. So, dimensions को हम mark कर लेते हैं. This is 1.5 and this is the building height, which is 30 meters. So 30 meters and this is 1.5 meters. Moving ahead, the question goes, the angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building increases from 30 degree to 60 degree. Okay, it means पहले जो angle था वो top of the building में देख रहा है the boy, the angle was 30 degree. As he walked towards the building, the angle changes to 60 degree. So let us assume कि boy पहले position A में था, walk करके position B पे आ गया है. From this position, the angle is now 60 degree on the top of the building. This is 90 degree, of course. हमें calculate करना है, find the distance he walked towards the building, which in the figure is clearly descriptive. हमें AB का वैल्यू निकालना है. This is the distance the boy has traveled towards the building. फिगर को अगर हम नेमिंग कंप्लीट कर लेते हैं, this is AB we have marked, this is C, this is D, and let us say this is E and this is F. If we name the right angle triangles, I can see there are two right angle triangles. First one is DCB and the second right angle triangle is DCA. So I'll highlight those figures for you. The first triangle is DCB. This is the figure we are talking about. इस फिगर को हम देख पा रहे हैं, इसमें जो एंगल है वो 60 डिग्री है. तो पहले हम फॉर्मूला लिखते हैं tan theta. Tan theta is perpendicular, which is DC, by base, that is BC. So tan theta, that is theta, we will take 60 degree. DC, अगर हम चेक करेंगे, what is the value of DC? DC is going to be 30 meter minus 1.5 meter. इस बात को हमें ध्यान से समझना होगा. We have the complete length DE as 30 meter. हमें सिर्फ DC चाहिए, तो हम किसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करने वाले हैं? हम AF को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे. See, this much part if we subtract, we get the value of DC. So how did we obtain the value of DC? It is simple. The total building height minus the height of the boy, 30 minus 1.5 upon the BC value we are not aware of. We'll keep it as such. Tan 60, root 3 is the value. Here we have 28.5. Denominator में BC. On cross multiplication, BC is equals 28.5 by root 3. Rationalize करना important है. 28.5 by root 3 into root 3 by root 3. Little bit more simplification. ऊपर 28.5 times root 3 है हमारे पास, नीचे we got a 3. On simplification, this is 3, 9.5 root 3. So इस बात को हमें डॉक्यूमेंट कर लेना है that we have got the value of BC as 9.5 times root 3 meter. Now, going ahead with the second triangle, with this triangle DCA. अब अगर इस triangle DCA को मैं highlight कर दूं for you. So DCA triangle is this triangle highlighting in red. This is DCA. So इस triangle को अगर हम देखते हैं यहाँ पे, the triangle is having the angle of 30 degree. पहले हम लिखेंगे tan theta का formula, which is perpendicular by base. Then theta value is 30 degree, perpendicular is DC, and base value is AC. Substituting the value, tan 30 is root 3. DC value we had calculated earlier, which is 28.5. So 28.5. AC value we do not know. On mere cross multiplication, we got AC value as 28.5 times root 3 meters. Now, after having calculated these two values, our focus will be on the final answer. Our question is to find the value of AB. So ये AB value निकालने के लिए हम equation क्या बना सकते हैं? Let us see. You just focus on this line. We need to calculate AB. So don't you think we can write the equation for AB as it is AC minus BC? अगर हम पूरे AC में से सिर्फ BC वाले पार्ट को माइनस कर दे, we are anyhow going to get AB alone. This is what is the equation I have framed for you. So AC value we have obtained, it is 28.5 root 3 minus BC value we have obtained, it is 9.5 root 3. अगर हम subtraction करते हैं, so our answer is 19 root 3 meter, and this is the final answer.